In this video, I'll be showing you how you can randomize short answer and also paragraph answer with Borang. Before that, let's take a look at the right side of our screen. We have Borang enabled, and now we have tutorial YouTube, where you can click here and it will redirect you to a playlist of how you can use Borang and a list of Borang features. And if you notice, there's no more experimental checkbox here because randomizer is not in beta anymore. It's in stable phase. So let's go straight to our main goal in this video. So for short answer, let's say if you want to randomize among 3 different answers, for example, chicken, and then if you want to add another answer, you can click here plus button and it will automatically populate with this format, which is lower than, Borang, bigger than. This is what we call as separator, where you can separate your answers with this. And then let's say you add another answer, duck. You can also type in yourself. You don't need to click here, but I think clicking here is much easier. And then maybe you add cow, and then you add goat. All right, now you can click randomize here. Okay, make sure you click randomize before you submit. It's the same with here. Let's say you fill in this thing and then you click plus, you fill in another thing, click plus, fill in another thing, click plus. It has no limit. You can fill in how many answers you want and then click randomize. So for multiple choice question, it's the same as before. Choose one, click randomize. For checkboxes, if you didn't watch the previous video, the behavior is whatever you check and you click randomize, it will randomize among these 3. It will ignore the last one. Let's say you check these 3 and you ignore the second one, and then you click randomize. And for this one, just click one, doesn't matter which one, and then click randomize. So let's go to our response here. We have 0 responses. And let's submit. Let's say I submit 100. Let's wait for Borang to submit our forms. Now it has submit 100. Let's look at the responses. Now we have short answer. We have chicken, cow, duck, goat. We have paragraph. We have all the answers that we filled. Multiple choice question, the same as previous videos. Checkboxes, we ignore the second answer. You only randomize among these 3. And also this linear scale kind of question, we randomize it. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.